Botanicals, we go out of our way to provide you with high-fired, high-quality pots that you don't need to bring in during the winter time. That being said, with fountains such as this, it is important to be able to drain those in areas that drop below 28 degrees Fahrenheit. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to drain and winterize your fountains. The style of fountain that we're going to be showing you how to winterize today is what we like to call the Basin Fountain. This is basically comprised of a plastic basin that is typically buried in the ground and a pot, or 3 different pots, or basically anything that's going to be sitting on the fountain. These ones are really easy. It's basically just 2 steps. You are going to pull this PVC pipe out of the pot. This is as easy as that. And then you're going to find one of these access holes that the pump is sitting nearby. This one is sitting here, as we can see, with the cord coming out. And then it is just a matter of pulling that pump out of the water like so. By doing so, you can already see this top pot is draining with water, and then this pump is not going to have water inside of it during the winter time. And that's it. You can leave this pot here during the winter time. You don't have to cover it or bring it inside. You can just sit like this until the springtime. When you hook that back up, and you're ready to go. The second type of fountain that we offer is what we like to call the self-contained fountain. These can come in a variety of different styles. We can have a custom one, or we have these carved fountains here. But regardless, there is always going to be a nice rubber plug in the back here. And we're going to see with this has a pot on the top. We're going to pull off. It's all PVC. And so it just comes out like that. And then sometimes with these guys, you need a push from the other side. And these are tight, which they have to be watertight. So I like to push from the other side at the same time. But my shoe's wet, but that will allow this to drain, and then just like with that one, you can leave this in place during the winter time, and it will be good to go.